and then you have obviously the octopus, right? So here's the octopus, guys, right? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This is Zach here. I hope you guys been doing great. So today's video is actually a follow-up video of my the series of unboxing video, which I'm going to unbox the parts that I actually purchased for my new PC build. Okay, so for the last video I actually unboxed the Asus ROG Crosshair X670E Extreme motherboard. So if you haven't checked out that video, you can click on this link. Right, so for this video particularly, I'm going to unbox the ZOTAC RTX 4090 Amp Extreme Aero. My god, the name is nowadays so long. Right, so if you are actually a fan of ZOTAC, okay, so remember to stay through the end of this video, which I'm going to show you what are the things that's actually included into in this RTX 4090 ZOTAC GPU and my first impression of the GPU itself. Okay, so without further ado guys, let's unbox this bad boy. Okay, so let me take out my very trustworthy unboxing knife. Okay, so let's remove the sticker, right, which is here. Okay, so let's remove that. Okay, so I actually watched some of the unboxing video, right, so I roughly know where to open it, but let me try. Okay, so it's very easy. You just take out the flap again, the sticker, and then you can just flap it open. Okay, after that it will be the box itself. So you just need to pull out the box. Okay, so let me try to pull this out. Okay, so it's quite heavy, guys. Okay, so the box is out. Okay, so nothing much. Okay, so this is the the box itself. Alright, so I'll just share with you guys what's the box content here. Okay, so you guys can pause, okay, if you really need to see what's there. Okay, so let's get the box out of the way. Okay, so this is the actual box that comes with the, after you remove the box. So let's remove that. Okay, so let me just remove this. I'm like Christmas come early, guys. Okay, so very nice. Before I take out the whole thing, right, so I just want to share with you guys a very nice logo here. Okay, so here's the unboxing. Okay, so right out of the box, right guys, so you have this, I don't know what is this, probably it's just some cloth or something, right? I'll have a look at it later. So after that, okay, just open up the flap, okay, styrofoam, and then you have obviously the octopus, right? So here's the octopus, guys, right? Four 8-pin, guys, there's 4 inside. Okay, so that's one of the accessories. The second accessories is actually I believe is the GPU holder, okay, which I don't know whether is this strong enough to hold it, but I think since they provided it, so I think it will be fine. Right, so anyway guys, just give you guys a brief update. So the reason why I chose ZOTAC cards, right, is because for this Gen 4090, I don't see any difference between ZOTAC and other brands card. They are actually very close in terms of performance, which I feel is still okay for me to accept. This card, to be honest, performs slightly lesser or less powerful than the rest of the AIBs like Asus, MSI, right? According to some of the reviews. I'll link the reviews down in the description below so you can have a look, right? But to me, it's still acceptable. For my case, right, because I bought it online and then I managed to get it after a discount in our local Singapore this shopping platform. So after discount, right, this card is actually $1,000 Sing dollars cheaper than the Asus Strix 4090. So to me, I feel that it's a no-brainer to actually just go with this card. Alright, and the second reason is also because Asus Strix, their design, I find it's a bit too boxy. And to be honest, for this ZOTAC card, right, initially when I look at their design, I don't really like it, like a lot of people. But the more I look at it, the more I really like the uniqueness of this design. It's a rounded shape. Okay, so basically, yeah, that's why I actually went with this card, guys. Okay, so yeah, enough sharing. So I'll just take the card out. It's very heavy, guys. So other than that, I don't think there's anything else more inside the box. Okay, so I'll just close it off. Okay, so I'll just put it aside. Okay, so here's the card, guys. Let me just put it down into the box, into the styrofoam. Okay, so here it is, guys. I just have to be very careful not to destroy it. Okay, so here is the RTX 4090 ZOTAC, guys. Okay, so it's a very nice card, guys. It's a rounded shape design, unlike other AIB. Okay, so here you have like 3 display port and 1 HDMI 2.1. Okay, so here is actually the 16 pin power. If you can see, that is the infamous 16 pin power. Alright, so basically, I'm not sure how what do you guys feel, alright, but let me know in the comment section, do you like the design of this card, right? If not, why? Okay, so I'll be doing a water cooling for this guy, this bad boy. So basically, I'm just waiting for the water block to arrive. So I actually purchased the Bisky, this brand. Their water block is actually on the way. Unfortunately, EKWB, they don't do any form of they have no plan currently for ZOTAC, because ZOTAC is I would think it's because it's the least purchased card, right, for previous generation. So I think they have their own statistic to focus on the Founder Edition, and then followed by ASUS, MSI, Gigabyte. But ZOTAC, I think they'll still do it, but I believe it will be at the end of the, once every AIB has been launched. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this card. Okay, I really love the design, and I really can't wait to actually test it out. So for me, probably I will just I'll do a first round test. That means with the cooler on, just to make sure that it's working before I install the water block, right? I won't want to install a water block and then at the end of the day it doesn't work, right? So yeah, so basically that's it, guys. This is the basically the unboxing video, right, of this ZOTAC RTX 4090, the Amp Extreme Aero. The name is damn long. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and let me know what do you guys think of this card. Okay, bye.